Greetings and welcome to a spooky bead haul for Odin's Spooky Bead Haul. Today I have some really fascinating specimens from an Etsy shop called Leander Ornaments, and they have these awesome cabochons, and they're just really gorgeous pieces, and once you see them you will know why exactly I picked them up. I am also doing a project for a magazine later on that'll be written sometime in the future, probably around November. And I was going to work with these because they are so delightful. Before we get started, I just want to say, I am a goth, I like spooky things, and I like occultish things. So, if you're not into that sort of thing, feel free to avoid this video, because there are some cool things here. That is your prerogative. Go ahead and just not watch the video. But, for those of you who are curious, I will show you the rest. Now I got an assortment of cabochons that I really wanted, and then I got a mystery pack because the whole shop is just freaking cool. And I'll leave links for that down below if you want to check it out too, but I wanted a mystery pack just to get some other bits and bobs in my stash, so I'm not sure what is what. I haven't opened it yet. It's all in bubble wrap, and I'm just picking out things and stuff. Let's start with this one! I don't know what it is. Oh. I think I know. Awesome. Okay. These are very well... Oh, there's two different ones in here. So the first one I got is really pretty. It reminded me of these Art Nouveau things. I guess I'm gonna cover the titties even though there's no nipples on it and it's art, but whatever. But there are these Art Nouveau inspired naked ladies, and I like them a lot. I haven't used this shape in terms of a bezel, so that'll be an interesting challenge, but she is a vampire lady, and yeah, she's naked. This is a rather large one. I think they had measurements on the site, but I didn't really pay attention to the measurements, so yes, I have. That one came in a pack of 5. And the prices were pretty reasonable, too. There's around, like, $4 or $5 for a pack. Of around 5 or 6. And they have plain ones, and they also have, like, these finished ones that are antiqued, and those are a bit more expensive, but I just went for the plain ones. My next one is this really spooky Batty Boo. And this one's on a smaller, I'm gonna guess like 18 by 25 or something like that. But that is this little Batty, and he's so very cute. And I think we're gonna do a pin with this one. And I really had to get them. They're so spooky and cute. Next up, let's go for this one, which I can think is the skulls. I got an assortment pack of animal skulls, and they're not real, they're resin. And once you see the size, you can definitely tell they're not real. I think that's supposed to be a cat. That is a burb of some form, and I got another burb. I was kind of hoping for the wolf skull, but... Wait, is this the wolf one? No, it was a wolf, a bat, and a bird. But it appears I have gotten 2 burbs and a bat. Which is cool. But I just kind of wanted the variety of all 3, but I can always use the burbs. These are definitely 30 by 40, and this is really cool because there's a lot of detail on these. So if you make a pendant out of it, that's really going to pop out. So I am excited to use those. Next one! Let's see. What do we have in here? Oh! It was a 6-pack! Aha! Those are the wolves. So I have 2 of each. I have 2 birds, I have 2 bats, and I have 2 wolves. They were just separated, because they're kind of huge. So those are the wolf skulls, I think. Yes, because this one's got bigger ear canal thingies, or an eye. Yeah. That's the bat. And these are the 2 wolves. Awesome. So never mind, forget all that I said, because I don't really remember exactly what I ordered. This one, which was just really cool and really detailed, it's a kraken attacking a ship and bringing it down. This is another huge one that's the same size as the vampires, and these are just so freaking cool. Oh, I love that so much. Alright, so now this one might ruffle some feathers, so, but I liked it anyway. And yes, so they had an assortment of these Baphomet. Is it Baphomet or Baphomet? I don't know. but the goat god, and I just thought that was really cool, and I've never seen anywhere like these before, so I just had to grab a pack of those, and I'm really pleased with it. These cameos are kind of cool. They kind of have like a lot of negative space, a lot of background space, compared to a lot of the other detailed ones like this one, but I don't know, I still really like it, and I like the moons on the end and how that kind of adds a bit more to it, but I think these would be really, really, really fun to play with. Finally, I have what is the grab bag. They have the different sizes of grab bags. I grabbed the small one because I spent a lot of money. Ooh, I have some resin pieces. Let me just pull out things one by one. We have a planchette, a blue glittery, oh, it's got text in the front. Got a blue glittery planchette. These are so cute. I'm not sure if this is handmade. I think this one's might be machine made, but it's really cute. What else is in here? We have a mermaid tail, a resin mermaid tail with glittery bits, and we have a cameo of a unicorn. That is so cute. We have that. We have a pretty little brass stamping with one loop, so I can hang that as a pendant, or maybe even tie some wire around it and put a dangly bit around it. That's pretty useful. It's very pretty. We have another cameo of a rose, smaller one. We have another brass stamping of something, a setting that you can fit a cameo in. Maybe, no, not that one. Maybe that one? Yes. So the smaller size, that's very pretty. Or if not, I can use it for resin too, and I could just put something in the center there. I have, a miniature tombstone! That's very cute, and I might be able to glue that on my, my perfume cabinet once I get around to building that one of these years. A corner stamping, which is very pretty. Let's see, and a very teeny tiny bird skull. That is really cute. Teeny black one, and a final stamping. This one, I think, is a filigree that can be a little bit more, yeah, it's got a little give to it, so I can even, like, curl it around and use it as, like, a ring or something. So, that is a very cool haul. This is just a very cool shop, and I'm so glad to have some of these pieces in my collection. Wow. And the grab bag was really cool. I paid, I think, $9 for that, and you get quite a bit in here. A lot of odds and ends. So if you're into some more gothier, darker jewelry pieces, I'll leave a link down below to the Etsy shop. It's Leander Ornaments, and they have, I spent a long time kind of deliberating and narrowing down my haul, but wow. This is just really fantastic, and I'm excited to play with these. So, I think that will do it for me. If you had these cabochons, what would you do with them? Let me know in the comments down below. I think I have a couple of cabochon tutorials. I don't know. I have done so much, and I have no idea what I do. So, check all that pertinent links down below. And yes, I think that will do it for me. I have some plotting to do. This stuff is really cool. But yes, be sure to like up this video and subscribe if you want to see more spooky bullshit from me. Check out my other shenanigans right here on YouTube. The pendant and the Halloween project is incoming. And if you are enjoying my shenanigans and you maybe want to get exclusive jewelry tutorials, I have a Patreon page. I have a series that I open up just for my Patreon patrons, and I have a special Halloween project there too. All pertinent links will be down below. And if you're up to reading some science fiction, be sure to check out my writing blog. That is also down below, odins.musings.com. Thank y'all so much for joining me, and of course, if there's anything spooky I need to try out right now, let me know down below, and I will see you next time.